Hi everybody, I am going to discuss inheritance in Java. In this video I will discuss the topics of inheritance within the example. Let us consider the example. First of all, we have to create a Java file. Suppose there is a source package and I want to create a file, new, then Java class, main class, and name of the class suppose is inheritance test. The name of the program is inheritance test. You can give any name. So this is the main programming area. Now erase those comments. These are the comments line. First of all, create the class. Class name is suppose name of the class is suppose addition. This is the superclass and it consists of suppose integer variable a, b and c. Now there are two methods. Suppose one is void input 1, and within the void input 1 there is a scanner class. We need to write this package for scanner. Import java dot first of all io dot start for system.in or system.out, then import java dot util dot scanner. The name of the class is class addition and there are two methods. One is input 1 and scanner is the class name and s is the suppose corresponding object equal to new scanner. Scanner is used to take the data from the keyboard and this is the constructor. Scanner is used to take the data from the keyboard and this is the constructor. System dot in it indicate the keyboard. Now system dot out dot println enter two numbers. This is the message to be displayed into the screen. Now a equal to s dot next int, because these are the integer number. A is integer number. Next int method used to take the data from the keyboard to the memory location A after converting it to integer. Then b equal to similarly next int Now a equal to s dot next int, b equal to s dot next int, c equal to a plus b. Now we want to print the value of c. System dot out dot print ln result is plus c. The result is plus c. So this is the method name is input 1. This is used to take the data from the keyboard and it will display the result. And this function is known as input 1 and this class is known as superclass. This is the superclass. Suppose I want to inherit the class. Now when you create the objects, suppose I want to create the objects addition, is the object. Object is the variable of the class. Class is the logical structure. Object is the reality. Addition. Suppose object is obj equal to new addition ব্র্যাকেটে সেমিকোলন দিলাম। এটা একটা অবজেক্ট তৈরি হলো। এবার এটা here obj is here the name of the object is obj and obj is created in the memory. Now we can call the method obj dot, there is a method name is input 1. First of all you have to save the program. Now this is the program of simple class. This is the class name of addition. So this is the program of simple class name is addition, input 1, and it is used to take two numbers from the keyboard and display the numbers into the monitor. There is object obj1. Now run the program, select the project and then run. Now it's already run, there is no error. Now enter two numbers. Suppose the number is 55 and 44, then the output is result is 99. So this is the simple program with only one class. Now the concept of inheritance. Inheritance, we know the existing class can be inherited by the new class, and the old properties will be transferred to the new class. Suppose the class name is, it is the technique of creating new class from the existing one. Then old one is known as superclass and the new one is known as subclass. So the name of the class is class subtraction. And it consists of, suppose, integer x, comma y, comma z. So these are the three integer values. Now the method is, suppose, void input 2. This is used to take two values from the keyboard. Now scanner, new scanner is 1 equal to new scanner system dot in system dot out dot println enter two numbers. Suppose x equal to s1 dot next int another is y equal to s1 dot next int. Now z equal to x minus y. Subtraction and system dot out dot println result of subtraction is plus z. So these are the two separate classes. Now when we create the object of subtraction class, subtraction obj1 equal to new subtraction Now when we call the method of object 1, then it will display object1 dot input 2. Here two classes are separately existed. Now when we run the program, suppose these are the two numbers 33 and 44, the result is 77. Now the next object is already created. Now it will take two numbers, suppose 33 and 55, it will display the result is minus 22. These are the two separate classes. Now how to perform the inheritance? There is a extend keyword, EXTENDS. It is used to extend the superclass, and the name of the superclass is addition. Here subtraction is the subclass and addition is the superclass. Now no need to create the object of the old class, just delete those object. Only there is an object of the new class. Suppose the subtraction obj1 is the new subtraction. This is the subclass. We have to create the object of the subclass. Now we can call both the features, one from the class addition, another from the class subtraction. obj1 dot input 1. All the features of class superclass is inherited to the subclass, and the subclass will call the members of the superclass from the object, corresponding object. So object 1 is the new object from the subtraction class, and we can call the feature. So input 1 and input 2 from the subtraction class. Now run the program. When we run the program, then it will show that first enter the two number, suppose this is 33 and 44, it will display 77. Then it will run the next input 2. Input 1 is the method which is belong to the class superclass, and input 2 is the method which is belong to the subclass. Now inheritance bring this method from the superclass to subclass. That's why this is the property of reusability. Now it is the numbers 30 and 55, it will display minus 22. So this is the concept of inheritance. When a class is created, suppose this class is already created, we want to inherit the features of this class to the new class, then inheritance property is useful. So inheritance is the mechanism of creating new one. This is the new one from the existing one, So this is the concept of creating new one from the existing one, and this features is known as reusability features. So object 1 inherit the property of both the classes. Here the input 1 is belong to addition, and input 2 is belong to subtraction, but subtractant class inherit the properties of addition class. That's why input 1 is inherited to the subtraction class, and this is the concept of inheritance in Java. Thank you very much for watching this video. Share and subscribe it. Thank you.